Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to use UnitedHealthcare. Alright, let's begin. First of all, log into your Walmart account. Then, click on your account and scroll down to find the Wallet section. Under Payment Methods, you will see the option for Benefit Card. Next, tap on Benefit Card and then select it again to proceed. Enter your UCard number carefully and make sure all details are correct. Once done, click on Save Card to add it to your payment options. Now, you can use your UCard to shop online and pay directly at checkout. Simply select it as your preferred payment method when making a purchase. If you ever need to update your card details, just go back to the Wallet section and make the necessary changes. So that's basically how you can use UnitedHealthcare. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.